broke at 65, but he made the world crave his chicken. You can't be a quitter. You can't have a plan B because plan B always makes plan A less likely to work. This is the man who failed 1,000 times and how he became a legend. Colonel Sanders was 65 years old. He had no money, no retirement, no steady job. All he had was a fried chicken recipe. But Sanders believed that his chicken was so good that if people just gave him a chance, they would buy it by the bucket. So he started driving around the South, going from restaurant to restaurant, trying to pitch his idea. And this is where our story gets really interesting. Every single day, Colonel Sanders would walk into a restaurant, tell the owner his idea, and ask if he could please just try his chicken. And if it doesn't sell, he said, then I'll leave and I won't bother you again. But if it does sell, then let me stay and run the place. And he did this every single day for months. And guess what? More than 1,000 restaurants rejected him. Colonel Sanders slept in his car many nights, not knowing where his next meal would come from. But he was not giving up. He knew that he had something special, and that one day people would see it too. Then one day, after more than 1,000 rejections, one restaurant said yes. They agreed to let Colonel Sanders try his chicken on their menu, and within a few weeks, word started spreading about this amazing new chicken dish. People were lining up outside the restaurant to buy it. Colonel Sanders had finally gotten his big break. And the crazy thing is, after all those rejections, he had become completely fearless. He used the money from the first restaurant to open up more restaurants, then more and more, until eventually he had an empire. He went from being a nobody to becoming a famous face. In 1952, he founded Kentucky Fried Chicken, which today serves more than 1 billion customers every single year. Colonel Sanders is a perfect example of someone who never gave up on himself. He had an unshakable belief in his product and in himself. And no matter how many times he was rejected, he kept going. So if you ever feel like giving up, remember the story of Colonel Sanders. It's a story that inspires us all to keep going, even when things are tough. It's a reminder that success doesn't come easy, and that we should never, ever quit on ourselves. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more interesting stories like this one, stay tuned.